If you're here today, it's because you want to learn to do Sisson as a beginner. Am I right? Well, then let's get to it. In ballet, Sisson is that jump in which you see the dancers opening both legs in the air like scissors. And it can be done forward, to the side, or to the back. Now, how to learn to do Sisson as a beginner? Let's begin by positioning yourself en face or facing the audience. Fifth position, right leg in front, arms on second position. Now, you're going to do demi-plie. Both legs are going to open at the same time. You're going to open your legs really big. At the same time, we are going to transfer forward because we are going to do Sisson forward, and then you're going to land over right leg first and then left leg. I'm going to do it sideways so you can see me. Right leg in front, arms in second position, demi-plie. Both legs are going to open. We transfer forward and we are going to land right leg and then left leg. Let's do it. Demi-plie, Sisson. Awesome. It can also be done to the back. And which leg do you think is going to land first? The leg that is going to lead the movement. Left leg. So, demi-plie, open both legs at the same time, land left, and then close your right leg. And the same thing happens when we do it to the side. Now, when we do it to the side, we can change the position of the feet. What do I mean by that? Let's begin with right leg in front. We are going to move towards the right side and we are going to change with left leg in front. One more time. Nice. Now, when you begin to learn Sisson for first time and practicing, I would recommend you to do it the whole time en face, arms in second position, so you can focus on keeping your hips square and facing forward the whole time. Although moving to the side, my hips stay facing forward, okay? And once you master simple Sisson with all your arms in second position, squares, hip level, no extra movements of hips or shoulders or torso, then you can move to the diagonal, facing right diagonal, and we are going to do fifth position, effacé. Right leg in front, left leg on the back, and your arms are going to do first arabesque. From here, you're going to do demi-plie, simple Sisson, and practice that. You can do up to 3 Sisson, but always take one stretch demi-plie before doing the second Sisson. Now, to do it to the back, you can have your arms in a third position, left arm in front, right arm by your side, and Sisson to the back. Now that we know how to do Sisson simple to all of the directions, why don't we do together a combination of Sisson with music? We are going to begin effacé, facing the right diagonal in front, right leg in front, fifth position, arms 5, 6, 7, plie. We are going to do 1 Sisson and stretch, plie, 2 Sisson, stretch, change arms, and we repeat the same. 2 to the back, stretch, plie. Now we are going to do 1 to the side, and at this point we are going to change facing en face and change, ending with left leg in front, change arms, plie, Sisson to the side, stretch, plie. Only that. Ready? Arms slowly 5, open first arabesque, plie, and slowly land one first, and then the other one to the back. One more. To the side, change your arms. One more. If you like my videos, the best thing that you can do to support me and my channel is to share with your friends, give likes, and leave some comments down below if you enjoy it.